So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of GeekJam. In this video, I will guide you with different ways to fix issues with Bluetooth on your Mac. Step 1. Disable Bluetooth and then enable it again. So for this, click on this control center icon and then click on this arrow next to Bluetooth. Now turn off this toggle for Bluetooth. After this, click on this button which says turn Bluetooth off. Now this will disable Bluetooth. Wait for a few seconds and then re-enable it. For this, click on this control center icon and then click on this arrow next to Bluetooth. Now turn this toggle on. Step 2. Restart your Mac. For this, click on this Apple icon and then click on restart. Click on restart again and this will reboot your Mac. Once done, check if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can move to the next step. Step 3. Restart your Bluetooth device. Sometimes the issue can be with the device that you are trying to connect and not your Mac. In that case, turn off the device and wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, turn on the device again and see if that fixes the issue or not. Step 4. Unpair the device and then pair it again. So first of all, open the Spotlight search by pressing Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard. Here, search for System Settings and press Enter to open it. Now, on the left side, click on Bluetooth. You will see all the Bluetooth devices here. Click on the I button next to the device you are facing issues with. After this, click on this button. Now, click on Forget Device. So this will unpair the device. Wait for a few seconds and then pair the device again. Step 5. Update your Mac. Sometimes the issue can be encountered if you are using an older version of macOS on your device. To fix this issue, simply update your Mac. So for this, click on this Apple icon and then click on System Settings. After this, click on General and then click on Software Update. Your Mac will check for latest update available. If there's any update available, then download and install it. Step 6. Reset Bluetooth on your Mac. If you have tried all the previous steps, but the issue is still not solved, then you should try resetting the Bluetooth on your Mac. So for this, press Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard. This will open Spotlight search. Here, search for Terminal and press Enter to open it. In the terminal, type the command that you see on your screen. So once done, press Enter. So this should fix all the Bluetooth issues on your Mac. In case you are still facing some issue, then you should try taking your Mac to the nearest Apple Service Center.